Good morning, student. Okay, welcome back to our online class for the first session. Student, how are you today? I hope that you are doing great for today because you have like a 3 day off, right? Mean Fridays, Saturday, and also Sundays. But now, everyone, please be well prepared in order to concentrate our lesson well. Okay. So now, student, today also is what? What day is today, student? Today is Monday, right? Today is Monday, June 21st. You are nearly to do the monthly exam again, okay? So, 21st, 2021. So, based on the schedule, every Monday, you are going to learn about hangout tools. First session, right? Okay, this is our schedule every Mondays. Hangout 2. We still study the same unit 9. Talk about our field trip. Okay? Talk about our field trip. And then we have to do some review part. We have 6 phrases or vocabulary in here that we are going to review from the previous session. Before you move to study about their words and their words. This one I want to make you clear today. In order to do the exercise, the classroom homework correctly, you have to understand about their words and their verb clearly. Okay? So, student, before you move to this one is the way that you are going to review today. Okay? Tell somebody about something. This one related to the person, people. Somebody mean people or person here. And then this one is something. Yeah, something mean sing. Okay, sing that you are going to tell. I tell you about my house. I tell you about my field trip. I tell you about my field trip on the island. So this one is say about something. Okay, in the tall grass. This one is the phrase that you have already learned in the lesson, right? Okay, so go to another one. In a forest, this one is forest. One forest have a lot of tree. Forest mean have a lot of tree mean together. Yes, combine together, stay together in the forest. And then this one is on a hill. This one is a hill. Hill mean that the smaller than mountain, very small. Smaller than mountain. Mountain is very big, but hill is small. Okay. This one is bird. Yeah, bird can fly. Snake. Yes, it's a very dangerous animal that you don't. Okay, I don't want to see it. This one is a snake. Okay, dangerous animal. It can crawl. Okay, so this one is a snake. So, student, here is the lesson that you are going to learn today. You learn about their words and their words in here. And for the last session, I always explain you about their words and their words used in singular and plural. And today also you have to understand their words with affirmative form and then negative form and then also question form. Negative question also used with their words and their words. Okay. So in here, so there was example. There was a pen on the table. So this one is only one. Yes, a pen on the table. Yes, there was a pen on the table. This is only one. So there was, and then there was some green grass on the island. So some green grass. This one they say about grass. I told you already. This one is say uncountable noun. Uncountable noun as singular. So we use with there was some green grass on the island, some water in the rivers. Okay, some water in the rivers. So this one is a use there was, and then there was a forest on the island also. A forest. So a forest have a lot of tree inside a forest, and then on the island. So a forest have only one. So you use with there was. Okay, and move to other one. There was some book. Can you see? There was some book in the bag. So some book we have letter S. This is plural. Example. Oh, there was some book in my bag yesterday, but now empty. Okay, and then there was 2 cats. Can you see 2 up, 2 cats on the floor? This one is cat. We have letter H. 2. This one is plural. We have there were. Examples: there was 2 cats on the floor yesterday, but now they ran away. Okay, so this one is say there were 2 cats on the floor. This one is say there was a lot of tree in the field. You know, a lot of tree in the field. So a lot of tree, but in one forest, as I have already mentioned. But a lot of trees. So I want to say plural. So plural. This one is say there was. There was a lot of tree in the field my last trip. Okay, my last field trip. So you can say it like that. Okay, and this one is you use there was with singular, and you use there was with singulars and there were with plural. And also negative. Can you see? We have say negative. Okay, negative you have to complete was not or wasn't. So this one, there wasn't a bird. Can you see this one? Come from there was not. But this one is a negative. There wasn't a bird. There weren't any book. The same. You know, we have like plural. We have any. This one is a some. But when we use in a negative or in question, you use any to substitute or to replace some. Some use in a positive form. So this one is a positive or affirmative. And if you use in negative, you use with any. Some, any. Okay. So there weren't any book. There weren't any book. On my table yesterday, there weren't any book. Okay. So this one is say you can use there wasn't and there weren't in negative. So negative, you have to plus not. Can you see? But this one is short form. Yes, the long form like that. There was. Yeah, there was not. Can you see? There was not. Yes, there was not a bird. There wasn't a bird. It's easy to speak and easy to write, and commonly used. Okay, so you have to use this one. You have to mark this one. Okay, there weren't any book. There weren't any book yesterday on my table. So this one you can say like that. This one, okay. And move to question. Can you see right now? Was there a snake? Yeah. Was there a snake? If you want to make question, you have to write to be in past first. Was there a snake? Was there a snake? Oh, was there a snake inside the grass yesterday? Say no. There wasn't. If you say no, there wasn't. Understand? If you say yes, there was. Understand what I mean? So we have no is negative, yes, positive. Example again, was there a snake in the grass yesterday? Example like that. You say no, there wasn't. Yes, there was. This one is related to the homework that you have to do, that you are going to do today also, this Monday, right? So question, were there any flowers? Yes. Were there any flowers on your last field trip, on your recent field trip? Okay, were there any flowers on your recent field trip? Okay, so yes, there. If you say yes, there was a lot of flowers in the field on my field trip, on my recent field trip. You just were there, yes. If you say no, there weren't. If you ask was, you answer was. If you ask were, you answer was. Okay, even negative and also a positive, affirmative. So student, today you are going to know about it. And this one is say about, we're talking about what? There was and there were. This one is apart from there is and there are. Understand? If you want to use in present, you use there is and there are. If you want to make there is there are to past, you use there was and there was. Understand what I mean? And then we have like form like that, 3 form like that. One is affirmative form. There was a pen on. There was a pen on the table. There was some book on. So in the bag. Okay. This one is, they say about positive and negative. There wasn't, there weren't. And then question, was there and were there. Okay, so this one is plus noun. Up to you. And make sure that you have to understand. You have to understand. One, there was and there was. This one is used in past. If you want to use in present, you have to use there is and there are. So there was singular, there was plural. Understand, student? Okay, I hope that you understand about this lesson today. You know, in order to do the classwork correctly, you have to understand this. If you are not clear on that, you can ask the homeroom teacher. And I think that the homeroom teacher will assign you to prepare the sentence, to make the sentence, or to do some classwork in your workbook, because we have Hangout too. We have like student book and workbook. So if the teacher assign you do the classwork in the workbook, you follow them. And also, if the teacher assign you to create a sentence like that, you can follow them also. Make sure that the homework will appear today also for the last session. Thank you very much for the first session today. Wait for the second session video, okay? So for the second session video, you are going to learn about what, student? You are going to learn about listening starter 2. So wait for the second session video next. Good luck and stay safe.